Okay, today we're going to see about changing the oil in the 47 custom super clipper. As you see, I got the front tire off. It's because I've been doing some work on it. Needed the room for the engine hoist. Got a jack stand underneath it back here. I got the regular tires on. A bunch of junk in here. But I got my tools. Hopefully all I need is the 7/16 inch wrench, 1/2 inch socket with an extension, putty knife, my creeper of course, and a piece of cardboard in case I have any drips, which while changing oil of course you'll have drips. So I guess let's get. Forgot to mention, also got pan to collect the oil. I forgot to check, see how much does this thing hold. It says a hold. Okay, so I double checked it. Let's be in capacity of 9 quarts. The 356 cube inch engine takes 7 quarts. So I have 2 quarts to spare. If I was using one of the smaller tubs, I'd be in trouble. Now to do a proper oil change, we're going to have to drop the oil pan. First off, let's go ahead and drain get the wrench on. There we go. Like I said, take a 7/8 inch wrench. My cardboard underneath there to catch any type of dripping I should do, hopefully. I don't know how far that oil's going to splash out of there, so I'm going to pan back a little more. There we go. Oil doesn't look that bad. I think I'll save that for my lawnmower. Just the oil is old. It's been in the engine for maybe 2 years. Never really run, so I'm going to save this definitely for my lawnmowers. So let's take a break for now. Okay, I'm back. Let it drain for a while. So now we just dripping now. So I will get in here. Wipe that off. Plug in. Next, going to drop the pan. This is normal to get a good oil change. There we go, snug that down. Oh, it's got a few other leaks underneath here I'm going to have to look into first chance I get. But for now, my main goal in life is getting this baby running. As you can see, the one splash pan has been removed. The other side still in there. I removed it because I was looking for a part that I lost. So next what I'll be doing is removing all those bolts out in the pan. So we'll work on that next. Okay, so I got here is my 1/2 inch socket and ratchet. That right way. Just like anything else, counterclockwise loosens. Let's go and loosen these all up here. longer extension here, so I'm going to do this, get you at least a 6-inch long extension. I got a 3-inch here. Make the job a lot easier and faster. Longer extension. I'll tell you what, I'll go ahead and loosen all these up and then get back to you. Okay, I found I had to switch to the 6-inch plus a deep well. I was almost thinking there's no way to get this thing off, but once I got underneath here, I found that there's holes all the way through here to get to the other pan bolts. I don't know if you can see that, but there are the holes. So I get the flashlight in here. Get more light in here. See, there's the holes line up with the hard one's going to be this right here, right at the cross member. It's going to be the hard one there. As you see, I already got the one up there out from the front. This is a job and a half. I'll tell you what, if you find somebody to pay, I think it'd be better pay somebody to do this. Oh well, carrying on. Let's see. Well, just for a heads up, we'll get that one up here by the cross member. Take a short socket on your ratchet. That fits up in there just like so. So easy, huh? Yeah. Let's try over on this side here too. Uh-oh. This ain't fitting on this side. Let's see. Somebody think in the back of mine got to jack the engine up a little bit in order to pull that out or not? That's what I'm wondering. Well, next problem. Hopefully some people will find this very helpful. Other people have already been here and saying, yep, saw it, done it, been there. For the time being, let me go ahead and pull these other bolts out. Ah, success on getting the bolt out up here. I got my trusty 1/2-inch wrench that's wrenchable. That fits right up in there. Like so. Oh, that's tightening. There we go. That's loosening. There we go. Oh, that's a lifesaver. And I just reach up in there and use the fingers. There we go. That's out. Okay, so far all the bolts are out except for in the back here. This back looks like it's going to be a problem. I don't quite understand this. If I need to take out this, then I can take those out and that drops, all that just drops down. That's all I can see. So that's where I'm at right now. Let me see what happens. Now as I take these 3 bolts out, I'm going to keep these separate since they're different than the bolts holding the pan on. They seem to be all the bolts on the pan have a little L on them. And these don't have any markings on them, so I'll make sure I keep these separate. So that's what I'll do. Next I'll take out those two bolts and we'll see what happens. Okay, now that I got the bolts out of there, let's pull this off and see what we have here. Hopefully it'll be ready to fall off after I get this off there. Well, that's off, and what did I find? Two more bolts and a nut. They almost look like they're impossible to get to. Oh boy. Okay, I did get the bolts and nut off without removing the bottom part of the transmission housing. I removed the breather, oil breather that was here to get out of my way, just to check, see how this is part of the oil pan here, or if it pops loose separate. So because if that doesn't pop loose, I will have to take all the transmission housing loose. And it looks like it is fastened onto the oil pan. Oh well. So I guess that's all I'll have to do next is go ahead and drop the transmission housing, this lower housing, and continue. So much for a simple oil change. Got all the bolts out. It's about ready to pop out as it is. But it's probably glued in there real good. Don't want to pry on any of this stuff because you'll end up bending it, and then you'll just create more problems in the long run. So that's it for now.